541 torque and 608 horses. So I was talking to the owner, he said this is a candy raspberry, and I used to have a black raspberry. It was on my 240SX. I love this paint color, it's like my favorite. Yeah. Look at these Stoptecks on here. Jesus. Can't tell you hear a rotary. Get that Dorito spinning. Alright, so this has got to be probably the sickest 350Z I've ever seen. So this is I don't know if it's fully built. It's not built. You said stroked and bored, right?
Bored and stroked to a 4.2.
Bored and stroked to 4.2. So to the wheels, it was on a dyno jet, I believe. It looks like it put down 608. So 608 wheel horsepower and 541 pound-feet of torque. This gentleman here is from Canada. So let's take a look at what we're looking at here. What's your name? Sorry, I was just going over. What was your name?
Rajan.
Alajan. Did you say Alajan?
Rajan.
Alajan?
Yes, sir.
I'm Tyler, man. So what could you tell me about this? Obviously, this looks like is this an oil catch can? What is this? Yep. Okay. This looks like, well, you've put on different Plenum.
I bought the car that way.
You bought it that way?
So I got a lift too.
So where's the turbos at? There's one.
Right down below.
They're down below?
Well, that's the list of all.
Everything has been done to it?
That's a... See that right?
Oh, okay, so they're down. I've seen this before. Yeah. This is APS kit.
Yes.
Twin Turbo, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. This has got to be my favorite 350Z so far. I love this car.
It's pretty well up there anyway.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Alright, so let's take a look at the back of the Z. So tell me what's going on in here. What size are these? Are these 12s?
Yep.
Okay. Man, this thing has to hit. So what are these bottles? Are these NOS? What is
that? That used to be CO2 to cool the intercooler.
Oh, CO2.
But it's been disconnected. I just left the bottle over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Huh. I've never seen that before. Huh. It just cool. Well, if it brings an air temp down, then it would increase power.
There used to be a spray nozzle system in front of the intercooler.
Okay. Care if I see that sheet real quick? Let me take this. So here's everything he's actually had done to this. It's a 2004 350Z, fully built, 4.2 stroker kit. He's got APS twin turbos on it. I'm not gonna read all these. you, sir. Cool. So I'm trying to get him to take me for a test drive, but it sounds like he's got something to do.
By the Oasis tent over here, we have entered a win for a $50 Amazon gift card. So if you guys did not hear me the first time, make sure you guys come over here and stop by the Oasis Phoenix tent and enter a win for your chance to win a $50 Amazon gift card.
In person, these fender flares. Tell me about the fender flares again. You said you molded these yourself. They're not riveted, obviously, right?
No, it's a Veilside wide body kit.
So it's a Veilside wide body kit.
Yeah.
And what exhaust do you have on it? It looks like APS exhaust. Let's see what we got under here. What I find interesting is he actually shaved off the fuel cap, put the fuel back behind the license plate. I thought that was actually really sweet how he did that. As I fall over, I'll try to make it look as good as possible.
Carbon fiber lay over the hood.
Yeah.
Same thing in the
So is this all
trunk here.
this is all custom? It looks like, right?
Yes.
And it's all molded in. Yeah. Huh. Damn. Motherfucker. pretty impressive. Oh, look at that curve. Huh. That's cool.